here for you again. Today we are going to discuss about the high rated topic called self-discipline and how you can maintain the self-discipline. I have 6 handpicked tips for you, and especially in this modern era, internet world, maintaining a self-discipline is quite challenging. But if you follow these 6 steps, definitely I'll give you the guarantee that you can be disciplined in anywhere, any part of the world. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe it and press on the bell icon so that it will get notified whenever I post a video. So come on, get into the topic. First, what is self-discipline? Self-discipline is about execution of things by your thoughts, not by your feelings. So it's not by executing by your things by your default. You are executing by your design. So you are driven your life based on your thoughts. It requires a lot of patience. It requires a lot of understanding. It requires a lot of research to understand your idea. But coming to the execution part, you have researched all of this and you have maintained some goals and thoughts on your mind, but your feelings are not allowing to get into it. So it's very hard, right? For example, if you are in a breakup, look at your work environment. How will you sit on it? How will you look at your mobile phone? You are planning to do something, but if you pick up your mobile phone, your mind will automatically start thinking the old messages which is sent by your girlfriend or your boyfriend. This happens a while. But being self-disciplined, you can able to attract what you cannot. And if you are self-disciplined, you can able to do what you are thinking. Okay? Before getting on to the tips, I just want to say that try it once. Okay, don't listen it and you just go ahead. Just try it once and post your thoughts on your comments so that I can give you the reviews and I can review it. If you want me to speak on some other topic also, you can comment it below. Come on, let me get it. The first point is find who you are. So you want to find who you are. It's not about your goal, it's not about your aspirations, it's not about your interest, or it's not about the feelings. Just you want to know what is your identity. Based on your identity, you want to work. This act as a motivating factor. If you find out your identity, it will act as a motivating factor. You want to have the dream of who you want to become, and you want to focus on this identity. If you are doing it day by day, the unusual thoughts will automatically suppress and make yourself busy in creating your identity. The second point is knock your mind often. So how it is? Knock your mind often. So you want to give reminders to yourself, this is my identity, this is what I'm going to do. Each and every task when you're proceeding below, you want to think that this is my identity, this is what I want to do. This is what my identity, this is what I want to do. This is my identity, this is what I want to do. So you want to frame this thing, what is your identity, and based on your identity, you want to give a reminder to your brain that I want to become a businessman. So how the businessman will invest here? How the businessman will solve this employee problem? How the businessman will attract investors? So you want to think accordingly to it. So on the third point is trash the garbage. So especially I'll say that you don't hear any unrelevant messages, or you just scrap out the things which is not relevant to you or your identity, your goal or your aspiration. So just scrap out the things. And the worst part, but I don't know how many people agree with me, but listening to your news today, consumption of news today, even considered as garbage. Because you are thinking on something and news will pour you something. Remember, when you are focused on creating your identity, you want to align your thoughts, developing your identity. So the news breaks it, in my personal opinion it seems. So you want to, if you are even listening in news, listen the ones which you are interested in and just handpick the things. Just what you want to learn and what you want doing. Just handpick the things and go ahead. Okay? And fourth one, target the fundamentals. So I always says, here the fundamentals means your sleeping, your health and your diet. You have everything, you have achieved your identity, but you don't have your health or you don't have your diet. nothing. So it doesn't sounds good. It will not make you happy. So you want to be healthy, you want to achieve your things, and you want to make glorious out of it. So maintain your sleep timings, maintain your diets, and maintain your physical exercise and fitness very, very, very strongly, so that when you are achieved, you can able to continuously give achievement, and you can able to progress in your life. And this physical fitness, this diet, and this sleep will also help you to maintain your level of self-discipline and to go ahead further. Okay, and the fifth point is practice meditation. So I always recommend this: practice meditation, especially the breathing meditation, where you can just concentrate, zazen meditation, where you can just concentrate on your breathing, just breathing practices. So concentrate your things on breathing practices, so that you will get a lot of concentration and you will get a lot of self-discipline. While you are meditating, you will be pushed with a lot of thoughts, and it's your duty to eliminate the thoughts which is unnecessary, and come back to your focus on your breathing. It will improve your concentration skill, and also it will help you to thrash the garbage out. So it's a powerful tool, my dear friends. Practice meditations, and I especially recommend Zazen meditation for it, because it will help you to identify your concentration level and the things which is important. Okay, the sixth one is like practice new habits. So this is very, very, very important, my dear friends. Practice your habits, because if you're practicing to build a new habits, that will help you to improve your level of ahead. Like every people have great habits, and that habits help them to climb up the ladder to that extent. So if you want to climb up the ladder, you want to build new habits, and if you're building new habits, you will automatically focus on yourself, maintaining your self-discipline. So every time you just practice a new habit and just implement it. And for example, if you want to wake up at 5 o'clock every morning, set up your alarm, without any hesitation, get up on 5 o'clock and do your work. So this is what the thing is expected. So every 5 o'clock is your time, you want to wake it up. So all the ambition persons are like that. So you want to do your job, and you want to be successful on it. So build new habits to become successful, to be self-disciplined. Okay, these are 6 points that from my end, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, press on the fat like button. That will motivate me to post more videos. And if you want me to speak on some other topic, kindly comment it below. See you all guys in the next video. Bye. Cheers.